Hey, hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you another exciting indicators which we just come up with. This is very nice and is a very simple strategy which we are going to be using, and this indicator we are using also in our live account. From what you can see here, this is a live trade currently running on around $80, and this trade we have a target that this should be coming to this point, so we're expecting to make a very nice profit from this trade. But with this, I will continue to manage our trade just by moving this. As the trend is moving, I will be moving our stop loss and following the trade. So without wasting much time, let me explain to you. And just before we start, just know that these two indicators, you are going to get them from the description box below. They are located, you can find them also in our website, so you can easily download them and add them to your Tradingview chart, and you should be able to get exactly what we have here. This is a live trade. It's very clear and very obvious. You can see it, and the trade is moving and the profit is also yielding. So the first indicator is our pro trading dynamic black flag. Is the main indicator, so which we'll be using as our signal. So this is the indicator. You can see here when it gives you this red band, this is opportunity for you to enter the market, and when you have green, is opportunity for you to also enter the market depending on the direction of the market. So but we are using the pro MACD with the EMA SMA 200 to know our direction in the market. So this is another currency pair for you to understand that this works in every currency pair, and you know majorly I trade the Japanese pairs. So in this market, if you are using this strategy, you can as well enter this market because it will meet our criteria. So what do we look out? We first of all, the first thing we check is to be sure that we know the directional bias. So which means we need to understand the direction of the market. So if you look, our pro trading MACD is already telling us at this very particular point that we are transitioning from long uptrend to downtrend. So here is the point where we get the signal, but if you check on the chart, you will see that this is the point where you have a signal telling you by the pro dynamic black flag that the market is going to change from upward to downward. But we are not going to follow this just like this, because first we need to understand the direction of the market. So at this point, when we have this signal here, this is an opportunity for us to know that now we are moving into the downward territory. So we wait to see if we are going to persist on the downward direction. You see at this point you have here a signal telling you that the price is going to go up. We are not going to take this because you know it's against our direction, which is already indicated by the indicator on the chart. So what do? We ignore that signal and we wait for the signal which confirms with the market. This is the point where we get a clear signal from the market that price is going down. So once this candle is closed and we have this signal on the chart, this is the point where we open our sell trade. Having this already telling us that the price is going to move down, and here is telling us that the price is going to move down. So we have double confirmation. So once you get this confirmation that price is going to go down, what you do, you enter your sell trade at this point, and here is the point where you are going to place your stop loss. So you take the distance here, and your target is 1 to 3. So in this strategy, what we are targeting to make from the market is 1:3. Okay, so let me make it clear. Our risk to reward ratio, okay, is 1:3. Okay, so here is the point when we get the signal, and here is our first stop loss. So what do? We measure the market to get the accurate point where we are going to place our stop. Also, another trading opportunity with this setup, the strategy which we are discussing today, you see here you have our pro trading dynamics here has already given a signal, and we already have a signal which is coming from the pro MACD. Here you have a signal generated by the pro MACD. So this is also a valid signal. Whenever you get this signal and you have the direction which is already determined at this point, telling you that the trend is going down, you also have the pro dynamics also telling you that the trend is going down. You see all are moving down, and you get this signal here telling you that this is a bearish opportunity in the market. Once this candle close, you open your sell trade at this point. Your stop loss should be at this level above the pro dynamics, so you can follow the trend as it's going. And you see from this particular trade, if you are able to enter this trade, you will still continue to be in the trade, because you will be just at this point moving your stops. As the market is moving, you'll be moving your stop. As the market is moving, you'll be moving your stop. And you can see market is still pushing to go downwards. So this is a very nice opportunity. This is a very nice strategy. All you need is to pay attention to this strategy and master it. There are 2 indicators involved, and these 2 indicators, I will leave the link for you to download them in the description box below. Download them, add them to your chart, compare them with this video, and follow the strategy as analyzed, and you should be able to make money from the market. In case you are confused with the strategy at any point, just leave a comment in the description box below. Ask your questions. We'll be able to answer you and give you a clear guide in case if you have missed anything at any particular point. There are some components of these indicators which we are going to discuss in another video, so that you'll be able to master that as well. But we don't want to complicate everything, so that you will get them one by one. For now, just follow this strategy which we have explained, and you should be able to make profit from the market. I wish you happy trading.